Hello, welcome back to Anne's Amazing Channel, or adventure. I look even worse today than I did yesterday. Anyways, just thought I'd bring you out and show you around here. I just have to switch the camera to the other direction. And we'll do that right away. Okay, well there's Henry. Look at all these beautiful trees out here. They're just so gorgeous out here. Anyways, I did finish getting my heater hooked up and it is running. So I'm pretty happy with it. It is, we'll see if it heats the whole house, but this is the heat that's going in the house through the bathroom window. I've got a little board I'm going to put in there. Not yet. I want to see if it works properly from this. And here's my stand that I built, but oh my goodness, I would have needed 50 feet of that ducting, so I just went to town and got some more boards out of my storage, so I'll have to build the stand taller. But only thing is, I had to use this purple stand to reach up there to fill my diesel tank, because the tank is right here. Okay, and it holds 5 liters, so that's about 1 gallon, and it's supposed to run for about 30 hours on that. This is an intake hose here, and then this is the exhaust, and that is hot, hot, hot. This pipe is very hot. And so this is, I put this part on to take it from a 3 and increase it to a 4-inch so the dryer hoses would fit. So I'll just take you in and show you, don't mind the mess in here because I have tools and everything else all over the place in here. But I'll just show you how I've got it rigged up in here. Oh, and I can feel the heat already. So there it is. I don't use the toilet in the winter time, mainly because I'm going to drain all the water out of here, and yeah, so that's what I put on it. And then I got one hose here going to the kitchen and the living room. I'm going to figure something how to put that on the wall. And this other hose goes right into the bedroom. Well, it will. That is the bedroom back there. I never even made my bed yet this morning. I went and had lunch with a friend of mine. So there's that. And that. And that. So there is my Vevor diesel heater all installed, and it seems to be working. There's heat coming. Don't need it right now. It's nice and warm out today. All right, I will continue on, and if I think of anything else. So this is my living room. TV's on, but nothing's on really. That's where my laptop is. That's my little garbage thing I made out of cardboard. There's the bed that Henry's got just wherever he would like it. Yeah, so this is my motorhome, the mess that it's in, but I'll tidy it up here this afternoon and it'll be look nice and clean again. Here's the diamond painting I was telling you I was doing. So it's I got 2 more colors and it's done. So I'm kind of happy about that. So yeah, so there we go. I'll wish you all an amazing day. God be with you. And ciao for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao for now.